Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all secret codes that you can enter on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So we need to open the phone app and then let's go to the keypads. Now the first thing that I want to show you is the test mode, which has lots of different functions where we can check a bunch of different information. And here is the following code that we need to enter, and we need to end it with the asterisk. So after we tap the asterisk over here, we can open the CQA test. We can go to the menu mode in order to find a bunch of different information. For instance, about the SIM card, we can go to the touch screen in order to test our touch screen. We can find some information about our USB, about the version of the Android, I suppose, or our device actually, and so on and so forth. In order to exit this mode, we need to go back and choose this button over here at the bottom. Another thing that I want to show you is a way to display email numbers and the serial number. In order to do that, we can type the following code: 06 and hashtag. And there we go. We have device information where we can see the email numbers, the ICC ID, and the serial number. Here is another one, pretty similar, but instead of 06, we want to type 07 and end it with the hashtag. And we have regulatory labels over here. We can also open a menu about the calendar info. So we need to type the following code, CC5, and then end it like so. End it with the asterisk. And there we go, we have some information about the calendar. We can also display the Firebase Cloud messages, or the diagnostic page of it. And in order to get access to it, this is the code, 246, and then once again end it with the asterisk like so. And there we go, we can find some information about FCM diagnostics. The next thing that I want to show you is the following code. As you can see, all of them are pretty similar to each other. And let's end it with the asterisk once again. And over here we have the testing menu where we can find some phone information over here, including even the phone number. We have the email as well, and some bunch of different stuff. We also have some usage statistics. So the last time we used an app and the total usage time. So that's pretty cool. We can also sort it by usage time, last time used, and by the app name. And we also have some Wi-Fi information with a bunch of different options, so you can go through them if you want to. So let's go back. And these are all the secret codes that you can enter in the phone app. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!